A former district court judge has succeeded in getting a sexual harassment lawsuit thrown out. It was filed last year by two women who work in the court system. The lawsuit claimed that then-Judge Charles Budd made unwanted sexual advances to the women when all three were at a conference in Nashville. It was first filed by Samantha Pike, who works as a substance use program director for Wellspring Incorporated. She claimed Budd, who already knew her through her dealings with drug cases, followed her back to her hotel room and indicated he'd like to enter her room, despite her telling him she was married. She also claimed he made her feel uncomfortable by his words and actions whenever she saw him for the rest of that conference in Nashville. Now, 5 days after Pike filed her lawsuit, another woman, Natasha Irving, who is the district attorney for 4 Maine counties, joined that lawsuit. She claimed Budd, who had just been introduced to her at a social event, told her she could sleep in his hotel room if she didn't want to go back to her hotel in Nashville. In today's ruling, U.S. District Court Judge Lance Walker dismissed the women's lawsuit because at the time of the alleged harassment, Budd was not acting in his capacity as a judge at that conference, and that since he could neither promise advancement nor threaten any adverse consequences to either woman, it did not meet the definition of workplace harassment. The lawyer for both women tells the Bangor Daily News that they are considering whether to appeal the ruling. As for Budd, he was put on administrative leave shortly after the lawsuit was filed, and he is no longer a judge in Maine.